Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by laying down simple geometry, a large circle for the head and an oval for the body. Once done, place 2 smaller ear circles and 2 eye guides. This keeps proportions consistent as you refine. Make sure to draw a vertical centerline and a horizontal midline. These guide head tilt and eye alignment. You're establishing the panda's rhythm so later details land naturally. Keeping shapes light lets you erase and adjust without losing the overall gesture. Now refine those guides into recognizable features. Draw the eye patches as soft bean shapes and add a rounded snout with a small triangular nose. Once done, block in limbs using tapered cylinders for thickness and simple paw shapes. This helps you see weight and posture. Make sure to mark fur direction with short strokes around the cheeks and ears so the form reads fluffy. As you refine lines, vary pressure to suggest volume. Darker lines show contact, while lighter strokes finish by cleaning construction marks and reinforcing your final outlines. Darker, confident lines improve contrast. Fill in the ear, eye patches, and limb areas with solid black, then add soft shading along the belly and under the chin to suggest volume. Blend sparingly to keep the panda graphic. If something looks off, check eye spacing and head tilt. Small shifts fix expression and balance quickly. Finally, step back and tweak line weight so the panda reads clearly at a glance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.